Mix Nesquik with condensed milk and you won't believe what you can do. Let's start in a bowl with 2 spoons of Nesquik, 4 spoons of powdered milk, and let's mix it all well. After mixing, it'll look like this, and we'll add a bit of condensed milk, about 50 grams. Done that, let's mix again. When it's at this point, let's start using our hands. And look guys, this is the perfect state. Let's put a bit of butter or margarine on our hands now. And we'll start shaping, taking a small amount and making it into a ball. Do the same with the rest of the dough. And to finish, I'll roll it in Nesquik again. And it'll look like this, guys. This sweet treat is amazing and quick. Easy and tasty. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A delicious recipe, perfect for dessert. And I hope you liked it. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hug. See you next time. Cheers.